We are now at the altitude of 1300. Finally, we are here at the roadway station. We are finally here at the observatory. That's the Lake Zuzanji that we will go for lunch later. And then you can see how the water flows from the lake to the waterfall. This observatory deck is actually very small. So behind you can see the lake and the waterfall. And then over here is the mountain. It's just the mountain. You have to take the elevator down to the waterfall. It's actually quite cold here. The water is also very cold. We were from there just now, and then now we are here.